In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on Sprout Social. Navigating social media management tools can sometimes be a little tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process on one of the most popular platforms out there, Sprout Social. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher on tagging, this guide is for you. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Sprout Social. You'll find it by searching for Sprout Social Social Media Management Solutions. This platform is a one-stop shop for managing your social media presence across multiple channels, offering a host of features designed to streamline your social media activities. Once you're on the Sprout Social homepage, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to proceed. As you might expect, you'll need to input your login credentials on the next page. This includes your email and password associated with your Sprout Social account. Fill in this information carefully and hit the login button to access your dashboard. Your Sprout Social dashboard is where all the magic happens. It's a comprehensive overview of your account's activities, insights, and more. From here, locating the Compose button should be straightforward. This feature is designed for creating new posts and is your gateway to connecting with your audience. Now, before you dive into composing a message, you'll want to ensure you're posting on the correct profile. If you manage multiple profiles, you'll see your name or your company's name at the top. Click on it and choose the profile you wish to post with. Tagging someone in your post is as simple as it is on most platforms. Begin typing your message, and when you're ready to tag someone, just type the @ symbol, followed by the name of the person you want to mention. Sprout Social will auto-suggest names based on what you type, making it easier to tag the right person or company. Adding media to your post can greatly increase its engagement. Look for the option to add a photo, video, or other media to your post and select the file you wish to share. Multimedia content often garners more attention, making it a useful strategy for capturing your audience's interest. Now, deciding when to post can be as crucial as the content itself. Sprout Social offers robust scheduling options, including an auto-schedule feature that determines the best time to post based on your audience's activity. This can be a game changer for ensuring your content reaches as many people as possible. So, when you're ready, choose the scheduling option that best fits your strategy. Once you've composed your post, added media, and decided on the scheduling, it's time to hit submit. But your job isn't quite done yet. Sprout Social offers a layer of governance through its publishing approval feature. This is especially useful for teams or when content needs a second set of eyes before going live. After submitting your post for approval, you'll see a bell icon at the top of your dashboard. Click on this to navigate to your notifications, where you'll find Publishing Approval. This section houses all the posts awaiting approval, neatly organized for easy review. Select the most recent submission to review the post in detail. Here you can ensure that everything is in order and that the post aligns with your social media strategy or branding guidelines. If everything looks good, click on Approve to finalize the process. Your post is now queued for publishing according to the schedule you've set, ready to engage and expand your audience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the tagging feature on Sprout Social, along with a few other essential functions. Tagging people in your posts is a fantastic way to increase engagement, reach a wider audience, and foster connections on social media. Remember, consistent and interactive content is key to growing your presence online. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're managing social media for a company, a small business, or your personal brand, Sprout Social is a powerful tool in your arsenal. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to mastering this platform and making the most of your social media strategy. Happy tagging!